You called me, boss.
Giles! Have you seen these charts, graphs, and other businessy things? Not good, Giles. Not good. We need a big idea, and we need it now, before this business goes arse over tit.
I don't know.
Don't you get all collywobbles on me now, Scout. You see this? That means Mr. Big Boss. Big Boss will do for you. And Big Boss demands big ideas. Get me a big idea, or you're fired.
What if we make the biggest, baddest good guy something for the people to really rally behind as the doer of all things good?
Dogs bollocks, boy! That's a big idea. Proper big. But, what do we call him?
Space Marine?
Space Marine. Smashing success, Giles, smashing. Big idea, big profit. But with big profit comes big expectations from the big boss. So, I need a follow-up idea, better than the last, bigger than the last, or you're fired.
What if we just take the same marine and change the colour slightly?
Bloody brilliant!
Boss, surely we can't keep doing this.
Surely? Again! Okay, Scout. The public's on to our dodgy business tactics on this new endeavor of ours. So, we need to come up with something fresh, new, completely clean, and something big. Let's see what you got.
What if we take the same Space Marine and just give him a different helmet? How about a female?
You cheeky dog!
Make them evil!
Dame Judi Dench in a Dutch oven, that's a good idea!
This is only the beginning, Big Boss. We could do board games, and books, and entire miniature war games!
Giles. Good idea. Good idea. But why don't you take yourself on a holiday? Go away with the family. You look like shite. And I don't think you've blinked in the last 45 minutes.
What if we take our Space Marine and give him bigger legs, a bigger gun, and redo everything we've done over again? But bigger. Bigger. You call... Fuck, I'm looking at the lens.
Big idea, proper big.
It's so Australian.
That's not a knife. Maybe their CEO was brought in from an Australian company and he's not native to Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're going with.
We'll say that.
Okay.